Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.3% against the yen. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 6.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street's biggest banks sounded a note of caution over the year ahead, citing high inflation and credit concerns, even though investment banking pipelines and loan growth remain healthy. Crypto trading businesses say that lags from the UK's underfunded financial watchdog could be the death knell for London's status as a crypto hotspot. Sterling strengthened against the euro and the dollar as expectations of a rate hike by the Bank of England continued to support the pound, while the market was still jittery about the threat of Russia invading Ukraine.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The US existing home sales at 1500 GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0700 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The Dutch consumer confidence adjusted at 0530 GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.